So the funding here was with the Moore Creek Land Care Group for willow removal along the creek bed. So while we wanted to do it, we identified this as a problem area and it's somewhere that we could actually have some success with removing willows and trying to get some native vegetation back onto our creeks. What was achieved here was the removal of about 30 mature willows along the river. So it's about a kilometre stretch that we've been working on. We've opened it back up so that we can get some native vegetation back here to create habitat for our fish, which is such an important part of what we all need in a creek. Even though it's dry at the moment, it is habitat for fish. Okay, so the community value here is it's going to provide a space where people can come down and enjoy our natural habitats on the creeks and rivers. And so our natural resource management value, the creek is very important. It's part of the catchment of the whole Murray-Darling Basin. It's only a minor tributary here that feeds into the Peel, that then goes on down through the system, through the Namoi, through the Darling, through the Barwon, through the Darling, and winds up in South Australia. So even though we're standing in a dry creek bed today in 2018 in the drought, this little patch is important and we need to look after it, look after the water quality here, make sure we've got native fish here that'll be able to breed and thrive so that they can keep going on down through the system. Okay, so long term, as we've seen earlier today, we've got some little junior land carers here that are working very hard with us. So we want to make sure that these areas are here for generations to come back to and enjoy with their families. And there's just nothing quite like sitting beside a babbling creek or river. It's just good for the soul.